Crazy, dog.
Man, that guy's loaded so bad. I'm gonna...
Our planet Earth, a wonderful place. It's like the ultimate reality show in the vastness of space, teeming with life and vibrant ecosystems. From the lush rainforest to the arid deserts, every corner of our planet holds a unique story, like a never-ending Netflix series. It's full of life and beauty. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, Earth supports an incredible diversity of life forms. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of our ecosystems. It's like a giant Jenga tower, where every piece matters. But have you ever wondered how it all began? How did this blue planet come to be? The story of Earth's formation is a tale of cosmic wonder and intricate processes. Today we are going to dive in an epic story of Earth, our home. Billions of years ago, our Earth was just a swirling cloud of dust and gas. Can you imagine that? A chaotic mix of particles floating in the cosmos, waiting to become something more. It's like the universe's version of a messy teenager's room. Slowly, this cloud started to come together. It was a gradual process, taking millions of years. The particles began to collide and stick together, forming larger and larger clumps. Kind of like how your laundry pile grows if you ignore it long enough. It was pulled by a force called gravity. Gravity acted like a cosmic glue, binding particles together. This force is fundamental to the formation of planets and stars. Imagine it as the universe's superglue, but way cooler. Gravity is like an invisible magnet. It pulls objects towards each other no matter how far apart they are. This relentless pull brought more and more material together. It's like the ultimate cosmic hug. As more dust and gas clumped together, Earth began to take shape. It was the beginning of something extraordinary. The early Earth was a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Think of it as the universe's version of a makeover show. It was very hot at first, like a giant fireball. The surface was molten, with volcanic eruptions shaping the landscape. These eruptions released gases that would eventually form our atmosphere. Imagine Earth as a giant pizza oven, cooking up something amazing. But over millions of years, Earth started to cool down. The molten rock solidified, forming the planet's crust. This solid crust was the foundation for the continents and oceans we see today. It's like the Earth finally decided to chill out and get its act together. This cooling process was the first step in a long, incredible journey. A journey that would eventually lead to the beautiful, life-sustaining planet we call home today. From its fiery beginnings to the diverse ecosystems we cherish, Earth's story is a testament to the wonders of the universe. It's like the ultimate underdog story with a happy ending we all get to enjoy.
As Earth cooled, something truly amazing happened. It was like the planet finally decided to chill out, much like a hot cup of coffee cooling down. Gases trapped inside the planet started to escape into the atmosphere. Think of it as Earth letting out a big sigh of relief, similar to opening a soda can. These gases rose into the sky and formed the very first atmosphere, kind of like Earth's first breath after a long nap. Like waking up and stretching. The atmosphere and who doesn't? It's miraculous. It protects us from the sun's harmful and dangerous rays. Imagine it as Earth goes through sunscreen. It also keeps the planet warm enough for life to exist and thrive. Like a cozy campfire that's chilling providing warmth and comfort. Without the atmosphere, picture a vacation on Mars, no thanks. It would be like living in a desert without any shade. This early atmosphere was different from the air we breathe today. It's more like a smoky barbecue than a breath of fresh air, like being in a room filled with smoke. But it was an important step towards the emergence of life on Earth. After all, every great story starts with a little bit of chaos, like the messy beginnings of a masterpiece.
In the warm, shallow oceans of early Earth, life first appeared, like the ultimate surprise party no one was invited to. Imagine a birthday bash with no guests. It was very simple life, just tiny single-celled organisms, barely visible to the naked eye. Think of them as the original underdogs, like the first seeds in a vast garden. But over time, these simple life forms evolved, like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone, each step a leap in complexity. They changed and adapted to their environment, finding new ways to survive, kind of like how we adapt to new social media trends, always staying relevant. New and more complex creatures began to appear, diversifying the oceans like a buffet with endless options. Imagine a food court with every cuisine imaginable. From the oceans, life spread to land, conquering new territories like explorers on a mission. Think of it as the ultimate road trip. Plants grew, creating oxygen and transforming the atmosphere, making it breathable, like nature's very own air purifier, turning a stuffy room into a fresh oasis. Animals followed, filling every corner of our planet with life, like a global housewarming party, each species adding its own unique touch. This incredible journey led to the amazing diversity of life we see on Earth today, a true miracle, like the ultimate plot twist in the story of our planet, keeping us all on the edge of our seats.
Section 4. The planet in motion. Did you know that the Earth's surface is always moving? It's true. This constant motion is due to the dynamic nature of our planet's outer shell. The surface we stand on is not as solid and linear as it seems. Instead, it's in a perpetual state of motion, driven by forces deep within the Earth. It's like the world's slowest dance party and everyone's invited. Imagine the ground beneath you being a slow waltz. The Earth's outer layer, the lithosphere, is broken into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are like giant slabs of rock floating in the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath. Imagine these plates as enormous rafts drifting on a slow-moving river of molten rock. It's like bumper cars, but on a planetary scale. Think of it as a giant jigsaw puzzle where the pieces are always shifting. These plates fit together like a giant jigsaw puzzle, with each piece interlocking with its neighbors. The boundaries where these plates meet are sites of intense geological activity. These boundaries are where the magic happens, leading to the creation of mountains, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. It's like nature's version of extreme sports. Imagine the Earth doing a high-stakes game of Twister. These plates are constantly moving, although very slowly. This movement is driven by forces deep within the Earth, such as mantle convection, slab pull, and ridge push. Mantle convection involves the slow churning of the Earth's mantle, while slab pull and ridge push are forces generated by the weight and formation of the plates themselves. Think of it as the Earth's way of doing a slow-motion workout, like a yoga session for the planet. They move just a few centimeters each year, about the same rate as your fingernails grow. This might seem insignificant, but over long periods, it leads to significant change. Imagine the slow but steady movement accumulating over millions of years, gradually reshaping the face of our planet. It's like watching paint dry, but with way cooler results. Picture a snail's pace marathon that never ends. But over millions of years, this movement has shaped Earth's continents and oceans. The drifting of these plates has caused continents to collide and break apart, forming the world we know today. The continents we see on the map are just snapshots in a long history of constant change. It's like a never-ending game of Tetris with continents. Imagine a puzzle that keeps changing its pieces. Plate tectonics is responsible for creating mountains, valleys, and even earthquakes and volcanoes. The collision of plates can push up mountain ranges, while their separation can create rift valleys. Volcanic activity often occurs in these boundaries, adding new material to the Earth's surface. It's like the Earth is constantly redecorating its living room. Think of it as nature's way of doing home renovations. It's a powerful force that continues to shape our planet. Understanding plate tectonics helps us comprehend the past, present, and future of Earth's ever-changing landscape. By studying these movements, scientists can predict future geological events and understand the history of our planet's formation. It's like having a crystal ball for Earth's future. Imagine being able to forecast the planet's next big makeover.
Section 5. Our Earth, Our Future. Today, our planet faces new challenges. From wildfires that spread faster than gossip at a high school reunion, to floods that make you wish you had a personal ark, the impact of these natural disasters is profound and far-reaching. Hurricanes, with their powerful winds and torrential rains, leave a trail of destruction in their wake, affecting millions of lives. These events are becoming more frequent and severe, a clear indication that our climate is changing. We are changing the Earth in ways that are harmful to the environment. The relentless emissions from factories and the ever-growing traffic congestion are filling our skies with toxic fumes. It's like we're all living in a giant, never-ending barbecue, but without the delicious food. These pollutants not only contribute to global warming but also pose serious health risks to humans and wildlife. The air we breathe is becoming increasingly hazardous, leading to respiratory problems and other health issues. Pollution from factories and cars is affecting our air and water. Rivers are becoming contaminated, and city skylines are often shrouded in smog, making it difficult to breathe. It's like Mother Nature is trying to give us a hint, but we're just not getting it. Aquatic life suffers as industrial waste poisons our rivers and oceans, disrupting ecosystems and threatening species with extinction. The water we depend on for drinking, agriculture, and recreation is at risk. We are also using up Earth's resources faster than a kid goes through Halloween candy. Deforestation is stripping our planet of vital forests, and overfishing is depleting our oceans. Forests, which act as the lungs of our planet, are being cut down at an alarming rate, reducing biodiversity and contributing to climate change. Overfishing disrupts marine ecosystems, leading to the decline of fish populations and affecting the livelihoods of communities that depend on fishing. Climate change is another serious threat, causing changes in weather patterns and rising sea levels. Glaciers are melting at alarming rates and coastal areas are increasingly at risk of flooding. It's like the planet is trying to give us a wake-up call, but we keep hitting the snooze button. These changes are not just environmental, but also social and economic, as communities are forced to relocate and adapt to new realities. The loss of glaciers also means a loss of freshwater resources for many regions. We need to act now to protect our planet. People around the world are coming together, participating in environmental protests and community cleanup activities, showing that collective action can make a difference. It's like a global game of let's fix this mess, and everyone is invited. Grassroots movements are gaining momentum, advocating for policies that address climate change and promote sustainability. These efforts demonstrate the power of unity and the impact of individual actions when combined. We can all make choices to reduce our impact on the environment. By using less energy, conserving water, and reducing waste, we can contribute to a healthier planet. Simple actions like installing solar panels, using reusable bags and bottles can have a significant impact. It's like being an eco-friendly superhero, but without the pain. Additionally, supporting renewable energy sources, recycling, and reducing plastic use are steps we can take to ensure a sustainable future. Every small action counts. Collectively, they can lead to substantial change. We can help preserve Earth's beauty and resources for future generations. Imagine a world where our children can enjoy the same natural wonders we do today. By teaching them the importance of environmental stewardship, we can inspire a new generation of eco-conscious individuals who will continue to fight to protect our planet. Remember, there is only one Earth, and it's our responsibility to take care of it. Let's cherish and protect our home for ourselves and for the generations to come. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that our planet remains a vibrant and thriving place for all living beings. After all, there's no planet B.
Gap 3S, Section 6, the layers beneath us. Beneath the surface of our dynamic planet lies a complex structure that is crucial to its functionality and existence. Think of it like a giant cosmic lasagna, with each layer playing a vital role. The Earth is composed of four main layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core, each with its own unique characteristics and significance. It's like a four-layer plate of lava and fluid spilled. The crust is the layer. It's like a crunchy bubble of providing a protective shell. It is relatively thin. It's thinner than the skin of an apple. This layer is designed to it's like having loads of thick crust. The crust is composed of a variety of minerals, the foundation for all terrestrial life. It's like the pantry of the planet, stocked with all the essentials. It is constantly being shaped and reshaped by geological processes such as plate tectonics and erosion. Imagine a never-ending game of Tetris, but with rocks. Gap 2S. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, a vast layer that extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. It's like a huge layer of the mantle is composed of silicate rocks from the characteristic that drives the movement of tectonic plates on the Earth's surface. It's like a very slow lava lamp, constantly in motion. The mantle's convection currents are responsible for the creation of mountains, earthquakes, and volcanic activity, playing a vital role in the dynamic nature of our planet. It's like the planet's personal fitness trainer, always keeping it moving, gapping into S. Deeper still, we find the outer core, a layer of molten iron and nickel that surrounds it. It's like the molten chocolate center of a lava cake, hot and fluid. The outer core extends from about 2,900 to 5,150 kilometers below the Earth's surface. That's deeper than the deepest ocean trench by a long shot. This liquid layer is incredibly hot, with temperatures ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than your favorite hot sauce, that's for sure. The movement of the molten metals in the outer core generates the Earth's magnetic field, which is crucial for protecting the planet from harmful solar radiation and contamination. It's like the Earth's very own force field, a gap to the planets. At the center of the Earth lies the inner core, a solid sphere composed primarily of iron and nickel. It's like the jawbreaker of the center of a candle hard in the Earth. Despite the extreme temperatures, which can reach up to 7,000 degrees Celsius, the immense pressure of this depth keeps the inner core solid. It's like trying to melt an ice cube with a blowjob while squeezing it with lungs. The inner core has a radius of about 1,220 kilometers and is responsible for generating much of the heat that drives geological processes. It's the planet's very own furnace. It plays a critical role in maintaining the Earth's magnetic field, which is essential for sustaining life on the planet. It's like the battery that keeps the Earth running. Gap2S. Understanding the structure of the Earth is not just a matter of scientific curiosity, it's like getting to know the secret recipe of your favorite dish. Each layer contributes to the overall stability and functionality of the planet. It's like the ingredients in a well-balanced meal. The interactions between these layers drive the geological processes that shape our world, influence the climate, and support life. It's like a symphony where every instrument plays a crucial part. By studying the Earth's structure, scientists can gain insights into natural tendencies, resource distribution, and the long-term evolution of the planet. It's like reading the Earth diary, Gap2. Our journey through the Earth's layers reveals a hidden world of immense complexity and importance. It's like discovering the secret chambers of a grand castle. As we continue to explore and understand these depths, we gain a greater appreciation for the intricate systems that make our planet unique. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, but without the tears.
Join us as we continue to uncover the mysteries of the other planets in the universe in other episodes. Thank you and goodbye. And remember, the Earth might be complex, but it's never boring.
Hey guys, this is the latest video on my channel so far, and what it's have been. So I have been to school this year and I don't have time to do the video often, but since this moment I can now free from school, my grades are done, I'm finished school, so I will spend more time doing video to you guys, and hopefully you can enjoy my video. Thanks you for so much and waiting, probably like 9 months already. Okay, and for the last, I want you to hit the subscribe button and the like button. See you soon at the next video. Goodbye.